Gotta feed these chickens in the rain. Let me close this door. Other one must be laying. I'm just gonna give him a little bit of scratch. Look at her. She done came out her little thing. She was in there. She must have lay. Only one of them laid. I'm gonna just take the one. Hey, things don't have to be pretty all the time. Just get it done. They have another place where they can lay right here. Oh, she just laid this. This is warm. Not the one that was just in there, but the other one. What up? Did she? All right. They can lay in this box too, but they like to lay in the bucket. One egg. I'll come get the other egg later.